It is currently like pouring on me right now, so that's fun. But I'm actively on my way to Tampa. I'm wanting to check out the what the storm did down there. So I'm on my way over there, but it kind of started pouring. Hey, I don't have waterproof stuff, and I really need to get some. I still have like an hour-and-a-half drive, so probably won't be much footage until I get there, but I'll let you guys know when I get there. All right, a little update. It is, we've got an hour and 9 minutes to go, and it looks like I'm going into a big storm, so this will be fun. Well, I found the rain. It's not too bad, but it's definitely coming down. And it is freezing. I got an hour and 4 minutes left, so hopefully it stops after like 30 minutes so I can dry off a little bit before I get there, but it probably will not do that, so. Okay, it's currently like 2 minutes later and it is pouring. I'm probably gonna stop at this bridge up here. Although, it looks like it stopped now. I might not pull over then. There is a rest area up here. Yeah, but we got an hour and 2 minutes now, so we're getting closer. Alright, we made it to the rest area. So, they see the city in the distance. It says we're like 10 minutes out, so. Alright, we finally have made it. I think this is taking me downtown. I need to figure out how to get to the shore. If I can even get to the shore. Alrighty. Well, my battery died out on me, but I found the bridge to get across. I still got like 9 miles on this thing, I think, but so far the water level has been pretty high over here still. Like it's all the way up to there. I'm sure it's a lot higher on, what was it, Friday? Thursday? Whatever day I hit. A lot of trees down over here. But just keep driving down. I found a little spot to pull off because I had to change out my battery, but yeah, I'm gonna get going again, and yeah, like the water level's high. It's not like, it's basically receded, it looks like, but this is the actual bridge to get across. I think this, I don't know if this is the actual ocean or just like, well, it's obviously the ocean, but it might just be like a bay or something. There's a lot of people out parked out in these places. I don't know if they're like cleaning up or just what, but there's a lot of people. Yeah, like that sign's down. A lot of these trees are down. Doesn't look like there's much on this side that's down. This side there's a lot. It's weird, there's literally like no one behind me. Alright, so we made it to the other side. Welcome to Clearwater. Yeah, it looks like around here there's just piles of trees. Looks like they already started cleaning up, but just piles of trees right there. Or gunk or whatever it is. That's all flooded. Oh, that sign came down. I don't know if someone hit it or if it was a storm, but road closed ahead, so I probably gotta turn around. No re-entry. Okay. Island residents only. How do I get out? How do I turn around? I don't know. I can probably turn left right here. So I think this is as far as I can get. Oh, maybe not. Can I get out of here? I don't know. Okay, I guess I can go. The power's out right here. And yeah, the power's out right here. Because that gas station's out too. Power's on in there though, and in there. First Avenue Northwest closed. Yeah, no access. I need to turn myself around. Yeah, so I guess you can't go this way. All the bridges are closed, so I don't know if I can get anywhere. These got have a lot of debris down, a lot of trees down over here. Largo city limits. Ooh, the boat is down in the... Looks like these places got hit pretty good. Now there's... Ooh, fences are down. They've got a bunch of shingles and stuff. They got a bunch. Yeah, it looks like a lot of these got hit pretty good. Yeah, down here there's a lot. A lot of these people have like sofas and vending, is that vending machines? But a lot of these people have a bunch of... I wonder if their houses must have flooded. Yeah, that would make more sense. That's 100% what happened. Because why else would their sofas and couches and like TVs and stuff all be out? Yeah, so all of these people's houses flooded. That's crazy. Like, yeah, that's crazy. Ooh, yeah, I definitely can't go this way. Maybe I can go, I think I can go left. Yeah, no, so you can't get that way. Oh, what's up? My bike's done.